Here at Phoenix Power Washing, we specialize in power washing all forms of concrete, asphalt, wood, stone, and any tiled surfaces. We're also experts at gum removal, which is one service that's highly utilized by property management companies here in the Phoenix and Scottsdale areas. If you'd like a free estimate on all of your Phoenix power washing needs, contact our office and one of our power washing experts will provide you with a free, no obligation proposal, or if you prefer, a short consultation for your particular property. Contact our office at 480-448-9066 or visit our website at pressurewashingphoenixaz.com.